Have you ever bought something that felt like a no-brainer? You knew that you had to say yes to that thing because it was perfect for you. It was an easy yes. Today, I'm going to teach you how to bring that easy yes power to your offers so your ideal clients can't help but say yes. Hey there, I'm Michelle Terpstra, Master Sales Coach and Sales Leadership Mentor for impact-driven entrepreneurs that are seeking to change the world by sharing their expertise through education, coaching, teaching, and service-based offers. If you are looking to create a powerful, feel-good sales system that allows you to attract premium clients on repeat, you need to check out the Sales Success Lab and how to earn your certificate in sales leadership. Stick around to the end to hear more, or check out the link in the description below. Now, what does an irresistible sales experience look like? This is a sales experience that is delightful to the potential client, keeps them and their needs at the center, and makes it so easy to say yes. As a sales leader, it is your job to create this experience for your potential client. The bad news? Very few entrepreneurs are ever taught how to do this. So if you feel like you don't even know where to start with this, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news? Watching this video will put you ahead of everyone else who has never learned this. So get your notepad ready because I'm going to break down to 3 areas in sales conversations where entrepreneurs fail to create this easy yes experience for their potential clients. Knowing what these are and how to fix them has the power to immediately improve your sales conversation. There are 3 areas of sales conversations that I see the most missteps happen. Let's break them down so that you don't get stuck in these traps. First of all, sales leaders show up to conversations prepared with the preliminary data needed to have a powerful conversation with a potential client. This means spending time reviewing the call intake form, researching the person or business, and identifying where your expertise can have the most impact in their life and business. This information gathering process will elevate your authority and immediately gain the trust you need to lead a sales conversation. Now, the next trap that well-intentioned business owners fall into is talking too much. Sales leaders are confident, mature, and calm. They are skilled in asking thoughtful, open-ended questions that are client-centric. If you are doing most of the talking, that tells a buyer's mind that you are nervous, new, or aren't the true expert they believed you to be before the call. All the answers you need are found by allowing the potential client time to talk. So next time you feel tempted to skip forward, talk, and not allow enough time for the potential client to really speak, remember that by doing that, you aren't communicating with authority. So what do? Pause, smile, and ask a new question to get things moving and back in the right direction. Lastly, always end a call with a close. This will not always mean payment received and contract signed, but heck, you know what? That does happen a lot once you transform into a sales leader. But do not fall into the trap of leaving the close up to the client. Sales leaders lead. It's what makes the buying experience delightful and stress-free. Close with a follow-up scheduled. Determine a decision-making timeframe or solidify any additional things that need to be addressed before an investment can be made. Now, I would love to hear in the comments section, which one are you going to work on to create an incredible buying experience for your next sales call? Now, if you're like most of the coaches, consultants, and service providers that I work with, you want to create easy yes sales conversations that leave your potential client feeling served and empowered rather than fumbling your way through awkward sales calls that end with you getting ghosted. And if you've been following the journey of the 6 principles videos of the sales leadership series, you will know that this is the final video. And as a recap, we learned the following principles of sales leadership for entrepreneurs. The first principle that every sales leader follows is that they are dedicated to creating massive impact through their offers. The second principle that every sales leader follows is that they are organized and understand exactly how to prioritize their leads and move opportunities from hello to closed swiftly. The third principle that every sales leader follows is that they are accountable to money-making tasks and prioritize this time daily. The fourth principle is that every sales leader develops win-win relationships with clients, contractors, strategic partners, and other professionals that will help them grow and enjoy their business. The fifth principle is that every sales leader is confident in being influential to gain buy-in on your ideas, products, vision, mission, and services. The sixth and last principle we talked about today is that every sales leader is seen as irresistible and provides delightful sales experiences that boost client success rates, satisfaction rates, and referrals. All of these areas need to be activated and optimized in order for you to achieve the independence you desire and deserve from your business. The buck stops here. No matter how great your marketing efforts are, your list size, or how many followers you have, making sales is what will allow you to create the life and the business of your dreams. If you are ready to invest in a future that includes easy sales conversations, happy clients, time freedom, and being seen as a true authority in your industry, then I invite you to learn more about the Sales Success Lab and how this program can help you hit your big money goals, but also your big impact goals. Sales doesn't have to be hard. I encourage you, come learn with me. Earn your certificate in sales leadership. Get exposure on my website with a business listing and learn how you can utilize collaborations, referral partners, and workshops to sell out your group programs, book a calendar full of VIP days, or lock in a waiting list of dreamy clients that can't wait to work with you inside your private coaching, consulting, or service-based offers. If this sounds amazing to you, the link is in the description below, or you can head over to salessuccesslab.com. I really, truly hope I see you there soon.